put some people on him.
Hey, you can't park there.
It'll be come out if they put it on this side. Funny. I don't know why you guys are laughing. You need to climb out the window so you don't get clobbered by the door. Wow, this sucks. This is the worst thing that could happen. All you had to do is go in the square, but you know. Ford will be coming soon to rescue this thing, for sure. You guys just need to get a bunch of you out of there, and the dude driving it needs to stay in it.
Nobody's gonna have to